Hello viewers, if you open a text file or a notepad file in your Windows 11 and the message appear package failed updates, dependency or conflict validation, so you need not to worry about it's a common issue, let's go fix it. Now let me open this notepad file, a text file, and this message appears, so click OK and go to your window or click this window sign, then go to settings. And in setting click on apps. Now click install apps and now scroll down till you find notepad. Click these three dots, then advanced options. Now click repair. It will take short time and then click go and click reset and then reset. It will take a little more time. Now restart your PC and open Notepad and it's perfectly correct. No data would be lost. I can do writing and I can open text. We can also uninstall the Notepad app. However, if you like, so I'll make a separate video on it. Thanks for watching.